Ramzeen from Sky YouTube channel. This video I am going to unbox a microphone called BOYA. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you, my friend. This is how this came, this microphone in a package, nicely packed. This actually I got it from a company, online company called Surahs, and the packing is about worth of about, I think, if it is in Indian rupees, it should be 2,000 rupees. Sri Lankan rupees, we paid about 4,500 for this. So this is how this came. This is called actually BOYA Lavalier microphone micro Cavate. They have put BY-M1. So this is the model. So this is the mic. So this BOYA mic, because I also selected due to some recommendations of the users of this microphone. Inside you get nicely a sachet and some stickers they have included, and this is the manual of this microphone. And we'll see inside ears. There are so many gadgets inside. So if I explain the microphone is very small, something like this. You have to clip it in your dress, in your shirt or a frock. So this is about 10 meter wire. Is good enough to move also. So inside this you can remove and insert the battery, but the battery they have not given, because they say for smart phone using the battery is not necessary. If you are inserting in, I think, to camera, you have to buy a battery separate. So apart from this, I also got this small packet. Inside you get the mic clip. This is the mic clip. So you have to insert it and clip it on your shirt. So other one is this. This is a background sound absorber. So you can also insert this and keep like this. And this is the jack for the camera. This is the jack for the camera. And so these are the things they have included, but without a battery. So I hope you got some information, you got some knowledge about this BOYA microphone. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next scheduled weekly video releases. Thanks. Hi, this is Ramzeen from Sky YouTube channel. Please share, like, comment, subscribe my channel. Also please visit my blog, that is etiptopmark.blogspot.com. Thank you.